Welcome to the personal property tour for One Fisherman's Court in Cellardyke. This is a fabulous 4-bedroomed townhouse. It's over 3 levels. You can see behind me you've got a double garage, you've got off-street parking, and it has its own garden. The views are something else, they're absolutely stunning. This is finished really beautifully inside. Can't wait to take you on the tour. Now this one, as you'll see, this is your shared access point. So you come up here and then you park here. So you've got room here for 2 or 3 vehicles. You've got your double garage, and I'll show you this towards the end, but you've got a garden as well at the bottom here. And likewise, you can see just even from this part alone, the sea views. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the sea from here as well. Just such a beautiful feeling. So you come up here, and then that is the entrance to your property, and we'll take you on the tour. So this one has so much on its doorstep. It's beautiful, so much to offer. So we come straight in, and straight away you see how spacious and bright the entrance hallway is. So straight away you have a double storage area here, so lots of space there. You're coming in the stairwell. Because we're over 3 levels, I'm going to start at the lower level because I want to show you the views towards the end. This is a great little corner plot. This is Doggy's little haven, and then we come off the hallway into the kitchen. It's a lovely spacious kitchen, plenty of room for dining furniture in the middle. It's a great sized room, lovely and square. So you've got your integrated hob and your oven. You can see the beautiful double windows, so you've got the sash and case windows there, just make it look really lovely. I hope you're seeing this okay because it's so bright, the house. Such a sunny day. I love the larder here as well, it's grand. So lots of space in here, and you've got this room. So this could be a dining room as well. Currently it's being utilised as a reception area, and you'll see the beautiful exposed beams, just beautiful. And again, you've got the double window. Lots of original features with the property. So you can see here as well, the picture rail. It's a great space. These ceilings are really high, and you can see that from the drop from the lamp. It's really beautiful. And it's great that it opens up into your kitchen. So what an entertaining space. Just fabulous. Great area for your family. Love the beams, looks great. And then we come out of the kitchen, and immediately in the hallway, which I think is fabulous as well because you're just coming in from the front. If you've been down to the harbour and the beach, you've got a 2-piece WC in here as well. So really handy. And I'll take you upstairs. So you can see how bright it is in the property. You've got that lovely window here in the hall. And again, it's really open. I love the way the hallways and staircase is designed. So we come up the staircase, and then from here we go into the bathroom. This is a massive bathroom. It's 4-piece, really spacious. You've got a beautiful corner bath. So you've got your jacuzzi tub there. I love this unit with your double vanity. Ocean basin's beautiful. So you've got your WC at this end. So you can see again just how long this room is. You've got a beautiful window seat to the bottom. And again, bright with the big window. It's a great space. And then from the bathroom, straight ahead, we have the first of the double bedrooms. So you've got a double bedroom on this level, which is great. All these doubles are really big. So you have not only a double wardrobe, you have an additional single as well. And again, you'll see the beautiful picture rail. It's a great sized room. Really spacious. Show you from this angle. So again, you can see how much space you have. Really nice. And your views from here, go down the hill, So literally you walk down that hill, you're down towards the harbour, into John Street, etc. Towards Anstruther. So go back out into the hallway, and then along from the hallway we have the second reception room, which is in here. This is a great space, lovely and bright. Look how bright this room is. I just love, again, you've got the exposed beams in here as well, so it follows through the house. That is a huge sofa. It's a 7-seater, maybe even an 8 actually. So you're plenty of family members coming together here to watch a great movie. Again, super bright in here. You can see that because you've got the 2 windows here and then one here as well. Look at the beams, and again, the picture rail. Such a great room. So bright. You've got fabulous views as well down to the water. So again, you can see that from here. Great views down to the water. And also from this window too. It's just stunning across the rooftops. Just looks fabulous. So that's everything on this level. So as you come back out into the hallway, this doorway takes you to the next level. So again, you've got a lovely window here, so lovely and bright. The whole house is really lit up with natural sunshine, which is great. So you've got lots of space in here. You also have your attic hatch there. So again, good space up there as well for storage. And then we come to the upper hallway. So off this hallway, you've got the 3-piece shower room. It's a nice size. You've got your thermostatic control, your shower head. It's beautiful. Then we're going to the second of the double rooms, straight ahead of us. So this is a great space. So it's currently utilised as a dressing room. But again, you can see how bright it is with that natural light coming in. We've got a lovely double wardrobe. It's a great space. Then from here, going to the next double. This is a great sized room. And that's a big bed. And again, you've got lots of storage in this house. 2 double wardrobes and cabinets above as well for storage. Lots of space. Such a great room. Lots of brightness. A pleasure to wake up here. And you haven't seen the view yet. And there's your view. Wow, look at that today. So clear, right across the water. So you see the May Isle there. You have the Bass Rock. I'll just zoom in and see if you can see that. So you see across the Bass Rock. May Isle. It's just beautiful. Such great views across the rooftops. And then take you into the fourth of the doubles. And again, another super sized room. Some great space in here too. So you can see you've got all your units here. Again, that's a big bed that's in here. Lots of room. You've got room for a desk as well, which is great. Imagine working there at a desk, just rolling your seat back and enjoying the view. And you could easily do that from here. Look at that, it's stunning. Isn't it great? So clear today. Beautiful. Right across the rooftops. But again, you're seeing the size of the rooms. Fabulous. Lots of space. So that is the inside of the property. Now I'm going to take you to the garden and I'll meet you down there. Hi there, so that's me down in the garden area. You can see behind me. I'll just the camera. So this is your walkway, garden to the side. So you've got all these beautiful blooms, spring bulbs coming up, great splash of colour. All you can see is that beautiful sky, and the birds, oh, and the butterflies. It's gorgeous today. And then this is the garden here. So you come down these few steps, and you've got the lawn area that you see in front. So you've got this lovely stone wall, and then you have this gate here that gives you access out into George Street, into John Street. So fabulous for getting down to the harbour. And the way that it works, the garden, so you're up to that wash line. So this is your garden area here, as well as the bit to the side that I showed you earlier on when we first came in. So it's a great space. Lovely and tranquil. Lots to enjoy here. It's a beautiful garden. So what a great space. You can see here the sun is just beating down, so great to capture the sun, chill out in your own garden. You're literally just up a few steps and you're at the property, not far to go. Out the back gate, you're down into George Street, you cut through the Pend, you're down at the harbour. It is beautiful. So everything on your doorstep with this one, isn't there? You've got your off-street parking, you've got your garden, you've got that great space inside, you've got the beautiful 2 reception areas, lots of socialising space within this house as well. It's in a great location too. You're literally 2-minute walk, you're down to the beachfront, you're into Anstruther. So you've got all of the local amenities there. You've got your fish and chips, all your bits that you like to enjoy, your ice cream shops, etc. on a weekend. You've got the primary school and the high school. So again, great for families in this location. You're literally up the coast, you're at St Andrews, where you've got all the golf. Down the road towards Kirkcaldy, Leavemouth, where you've got the train station coming to Leven. You've also got the commute at Kirkcaldy at the train station taking you across to Edinburgh. This is a fabulous location. A little nest egg in the middle of the East Neuk. It's gorgeous. So it's 1 Fisherman's Court. This is on the market with ourselves. It offers over £350,000. If this one's of interest to you, feel free to message me here directly. Alternatively, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. Actually, Perry, Fife Properties fee, feeling a little bit spoiled today. What a great job. Take care. Bye bye.